A new one for you today, not new to us, but a new lift kit component. This is a phenomenal F-450 limited bad boy, star white at that, Lighthouse Marine Solution. We appreciate you so much. Reserve edition action, 2.5 inch leveled on 37s and 22s. A great combo, Toyo Open Country, AT3 all-terrain tire. A great tire, solid, great longevity, lots of mileage as well. American Force, gloss black and milled. It looks great. That big center cap too, running 12.5 wides on the tire is a money setup overall. And the other money part about this is the new lift kit component level kit system from BDS suspension, 2.5 inch coil spring, BDS 2.0s, dual steering stabilizer, track bar, radius arms now as well, and new brackets, so all of your telemetry, headlight system, weight scales, provisions, all that works. So finally, a way to roll with a complete kit from BDS on the F-450 segment. We've been piecing things together, making it work, making it the best possible in great fashion, but just it's nice having a full offering from BDS now. Those guys, Fox, we love them. And again, Dreamweaver building and remodeling, just a rolling billboard. And we see it so often that our great customers like to have their trucks done up in a custom fashion, because custom is better than stock, obviously, but secondly, that unique truck like this gets noticed. And then if you put some of your company logos on it, phone number, just an easy way to acquire business. And we know that now attention is king in 2024 and beyond. So just a great way to promote and ride in class, in style, all the way around. Bud took care of this one and it looks amazing. Dually with adapters for our mild to wild scale is definitely past the mid-level range. And the truck is balanced out so well. Again, 37s on 22s allows you to run a 12.5 wide tire of a reputable mainstream tire company that we like to use, that we trust in. We just see so much great results from it, longevity and off-road and on-road performance. That's what it's all about. Not just always looking great, but also just being able to deliver on an all-around truck without sacrificing anything. There's plenty of people that you know, have a custom truck done in a certain fashion where they're sacrificing something, but this truck's not going to give up anything from a towing standpoint, and definitely the look, appeal, and swag that it presents got it going on. High output 450 with the Admiral Blue interior, some nice accents all the way around to go along with it. Also, I just love this truck. It's a timeless truck. Gloss black and milled works well as well. And you see we got Super Duty stuff everywhere going out on the daily. This one's about to head out now, so just had to throw it together for you. Showcase the new 2.5 inch. It's almost like they were paying attention to what we were doing, because another one in great Wild Withies fashion. Wild Withies at Aikens Ford in Winder, Georgia. Dan's taking that one to Florida too. Got trucks going everywhere, all day, every day. Peace out.